Hi everyone, I'm Sahar with the NM Home Deals team. So just wanted to say happy June, and now that we are in the half of 2025 going into the second half of 2025, I wanted to just give you guys a market update on what we were seeing from the Greater Albuquerque Association of Realtors for the month of May. So inventory sales, inventory has gone up. We are seeing that homes are staying on the market a little bit longer and they're taking a little longer time to sell. But we don't want sellers to worry. We definitely do have some great tools and tips for any of our seller clients that we'd love to go over with you. So we are seeing that average days on market have gone up. So it's going to be about 35 days on market. The average price is about $356 right now. And in the month of May, we had about 1,900 homes on the market. So if you're a buyer, this is fantastic news. You'll have a lot more options if a home isn't priced according to market value or a little bit below. We are seeing that some things are taking a little bit more time to get sold. But we would love the opportunity to work with you. We'd love you guys to reach out. We do have some great listing inventory right now in all areas of town in different price ranges. And then we do have a few great coming soon listings. This is again a great way for buyers to get into homes before they get on the market. We'd love the opportunity to speak with you and get you guys the lists of homes that we do have. And if you guys have any questions, we're here to be a resource to you. So if you have any questions regarding the market, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love the opportunity to work with you and earn your trust in business. Thanks.